So remember, drive heels to the ground and then drive them away from the earth. Good. Keeping the eyes up as to imply that we're literally going to fly out of the building. Only a Wonder Woman can do that.
Can she fly? She's a cape.
She can.
She was.
She freaking can. As long as those knees don't bend, go as high up as you possibly can. Stiletto toes. It's like we're gonna jump, but we never leave the actual platform that our toes are on. Freaking gorgeous. That's how you really get the most activation out of your calves. Eyes up, drive heels down to the earth, and then drive heels away from the earth without ever bending the knees. Good posture, which you have, and then you just grind out. Inhale down, exhale up.